Hi, I'm Jacintha and I'm an international student studying law at the University of Dundee, and today I'll be showing you a day in the life of a law student. What's a law student without lectures? So this is me on my way to my first class at the Dalhousie building. My lectures typically take place for about an hour, and then I make my way to the library afterwards for some consolidation reading. And to reduce the amount of workload that we have as law students, there's one thing that's essential for us to do, and that is to just take everything as it comes. Do not procrastinate, because I know that's some people's favorite things to do, but read every single thing as it comes, and it'll be a lot easier for you to manage. Also, make sure that you just don't read your textbook, but you read case law, you read articles that really help you understand and really break down the key points that are being given in your textbook. After I'm done reading, I head home and laze about for a few hours with Netflix and some snacks. After that, I do my prep for my next class or seminar, tabulate my case law because that is really helpful, and go to bed early, anticipating the continuation of the next day. Bye!